Hello everyone. Today we will be taking the next worksheet 3 of parallel line. In this worksheet we will divide a given line segment into equal parts, and then we will take one more concept, that is division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. Look at the first question. In the first question, it is given, the question is, draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. Now, remember, whenever you will do the questions related to the construction, always use pencil along with the scale. So, first step, we will draw one line segment of given measurement, that is of 5 centimeter. So this is the first statement, and name this line segment as AB. Since we have to divide this line segment into 6 equal parts, so for that what we will do, from point A we will draw one acute angle of any measurement, and this acute angle you can make it with the D. Okay, with the same measurement, suppose that you are making this acute angle of 30 degree, then from point B also with the help of D you will make a acute angle of the same measurement and draw the line like this. Okay, these two acute angles should be of same degree, so that these two lines will be parallel to each other. Now, next step, since you have to divide it into 6 equal parts, what you will do? You will take the compass along with the D and open it according to yourself. Any measurement you can keep it. Okay, so I have kept the measurement, this one. So from point A, whatever be the equal parts you have to take, that division you will make it from point A. Keep the compass like this and draw 6 equal parts according to the question. According to the question, you will make 6 equal parts like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more, 6. And if it does not completes over here, then extend this acute line like this. Same way, from the point B also with the same measurement, you will not change this measurement. With the same measurement, you will draw again 6 equal parts like this. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As I have told it, if it does not completes over here, then extend that line. Extend that line. Okay. Now you will name it. You will name the line as, you will name it as A1, B1, or name it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Okay, and same way here you can write it as, name it as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. Now the question is, you have to divide it into 6 equal parts internally. This line segment AB, which is of 5 centimeter. Divide it into 6 equal parts. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will join this point B with the last measurement, say A6. You will join it like this. and the point B you will join it with B6, means opposite you have to join it. Okay, now you will join, since you have to divide AB into 6 equal parts, divide internally into 6 equal parts. A1 join it with B5 like this. You can show it with the dotted line if you want. Show it like this. A2 with B4. A2 with B4. Like this, you will join all the respective arcs from both the sides. From both the sides, you will join it like this. Okay, but be careful while joining it. These lines should be parallel to each other like this. Okay, so what do you observe here? If you will see the all one, you have got 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do it properly so that you will get a parallel lines. All these lines should come as parallel line. Okay, join them properly. So in this way we have divided this line segment AB into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear? But make sure that the lines should be parallel to each other. Then only you will get the exact answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, draw a line segment AB of 6.4 and divide it into 4 equal parts. Then what is the length of each part? So same procedure. First we will draw this line, let it be AB of 6 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter. So we will draw with the scale line AB of 6.4. Now same procedure, from point A you will draw one acute angle less than 90 degree. Same way from the point B on the lower side you will draw one more acute angle, but remember these both acute angle of same degree. So for this you will use the D. If this is 60 degree, then this also you will make it 60 degree. And same with 30 degrees, so 30 degree. And divide it into 4 equal parts. So what we will do with the compass, same concept. You will keep the compass over here with the same measurement like this. You will draw 4 arcs, 4 division. Now keep the measurement same, and from point B again you will draw 4 arcs. The measurement should remain as same. Okay. Now the question is, divide it into 4 equal parts. So same step you have to follow. Point A you will join it with last arc like this, and point B you will join it with last arc. Now 4 equal parts. So name this as A1, A2, A3, A4. Same way B1, B2, B3 and B4. These parts. Now join A1 with B3. A1 with B3. So like this you will join it. Show it with the dotted line. A2 with B2. Then A3 with B1. Like this. And if you will observe, all these lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now for next part is, what is the length of each part? Let this each part you can name it as C1, C2, C3. Each part C1, C2 and C3. Now what you have to do, length of each part. If you will see, the length of each part. So the length of each part, it should come as nearly 1.6. Okay, so 1.6. So what will you write it? Therefore, length of each part equal, what it is? 1.6 centimeter. So all of them should come as same. The measurement should come as same. Okay, so the length of each part is 1.6 centimeter. With this scale, you will measure it.